This video I will show you how to share a YouTube video on Instagram story. So the process is very simple. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So first of all, we will open up the YouTube application here and we will copy the link of our video that we want to share on our Instagram story. So let's suppose that if I want to share this video here, I will click on these three dots here and I will click on share, and I will actually click on this copy link option here. And now I will open up my Instagram application, and then I will actually like swipe right, and I can actually now take the picture here. So let's take the picture, and after taking the picture here, you will click on this sticker option here, and you will actually search for link here. So you will click on this sticker here, and then I will paste the copied link here, and then you will click on done, and you can actually paste this link anywhere onto the picture. Okay, so that's how you can actually share a YouTube video onto the Instagram story. So now when persons see your Instagram story, they will actually click on this link and they will be taken to that YouTube video. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.